Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll really help my channel out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I used a temporary tattoo to transform this ugly resin tray that I made off camera. As I was making it, I could just tell it was going to be ugly. So what I did was filled the mold up the rest of the way with some resin mixed with iridescent glitter. The first pour, I had only filled the mold up 2/3 of the way full. So I just went in with clear resin mixed with glitter, filled up the mold the rest of the way. Now I'm going in with some 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop bubbles, and you can see it really works well. I didn't add any heat to this at all. I just did about 4 sprays of the alcohol to pop bubbles, and that was it. I just left it and let it sit for 24 hours. Now we're going to demold it. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my glitter off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below. Be sure to go check that out. It's full of great information. I just cut the mixing out of my videos, or most of my videos, to save time because I do my mixing the same way every time, and I don't want to waste your guys' time with putting the mixing in every video. So now here's the fun part. This is a temporary tattoo. I picked up a 20-pack off Amazon. It's got a ton of different pretty floral designs. I peeled off the backing, cut around the image or the flowers, placing it sticky side down on my tray. And you apply this, just like you would apply it to your skin. Add a wet rag just to kind of really, get that nice and kind of wet so it peels off easy, and you want your image to 100% adhere to your resin piece. And that was it. I added that wet microfiber cloth for about 2 minutes, and now we're going to peel off the backing. It's super simple and easy to do, and I feel like these tattoos can really transform pieces that you're just not happy with. And you could use the temporary tattoos on coasters. I mean, all kinds of stuff. The possibilities are endless with that. So you let it dry. I let it dry for 24 hours, and I'm also going to add some glitter around the edge of the tray. So I'm going to go in with some Mod Podge and a flat brush, and I'm just going to lay down where I want my glitter. I was thinking some really pretty type icicle kind of designs going up towards the roses that are in the center of the tray. I decided to switch brushes. This flat brush worked a little bit better. When you lay down your Mod Podge, you want it to be pretty smooth. You don't want a lot of bumps and ridges in your Mod Podge. So once I had the design that I liked, I went in with my glitter, and this is the English Rose glitter from Laura's Art Corner. It's a really gorgeous pink chunky glitter, and it has a special cut, so it's got some holographic glitter pieces in there too. I'll link her shop down below. Be sure to check her out for your glitters, and I have a coupon code for her shop too. And off camera, I did a clear resin top coat and attached the tray handles, these crystal knobs you're seeing here. I cut that out of this video just to save time, because this video I mostly wanted to just show you guys how to use the temporary tattoo and how to kind of spruce up a piece that you're just not loving. You could go in with some of these temporary tattoos, and it always turns out really fun. And shout out to Lisa Wyatt Art for the idea to try this out. She does some really awesome work with temporary tattoos and resin on her channel. Be sure to go check her out. I'll link her channel down below, and go subscribe if you're not already subscribed to her channel. And as always, I'll link the temporary tattoos and all the materials I use down below in the description box. And check out the tutorial for my Milky Way tray. I show you step by step how to do the top coat and attach the handles for your tray in that video. I will leave that right here. Just click that and it'll take you straight to it. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this piece down in the comments, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye!